Hi, I'm Lisa, and today I'm going to talk to you about the magnetic eyelashes that you can find at Showcase. So a lot of people aren't liking them because they're finding that the instructions don't work for them. So today we're going to play. So the first direction is apply the eyeliner from edge to edge of the eye. Correct. You actually do that. Then the second one is wait for it to get tacky. You don't want it to be tacky. You want it to be dry. And you don't just apply one coat. You apply two. Two thick coats, one over the other, and you wait for them to dry completely in order for step 3 to work. Place lash as desired. So you put it on, and if it was tacky and you put it on and you went to move it, you would remove a lot of the eyeliner itself. So then it says to remove just lightly, pull off lashes, and lashes are reusable. Duh. Anyways, so I use a fan to dry my eyeliner. You can use hair blower or whatever you want. So you just fan your eyeliner until it's perfectly dry. And then you apply your eyelashes. All right. So now that my eyeliners have been applied, now I'm going to take my eyelash and stick it. And it's just going to click just like that. And voila. It'll work till I take it off. And because you have 2 sets, either one will do. But sometimes if you want really full lashes, I don't know if any of you actually knew this, but you can use both sets. Because they're magnetic, they'll stick one on top of the other, and you'll have these full, vibrant eyelashes that no man can resist. Or woman. And there she goes. See? Click. And easy. Right, so my camera person, who happens to be my son, asked if I should add the others. So here we go. And as you can see, it just connects. And you're full. Ta-da. And there we go. And they'll be there till you take them off. But I have to warn you, they don't like it when you put makeup on top, because once it seeps into the eyeliner, it will release the magnets. And it does say that the liner is waterproof, but let me tell you, it's not crying proof. If you start crying, these babies are going to release. Trust me, it's happened to me. So just do what every woman does. The minute you feel tears coming, fan them away. The eyeliner, it comes off with a roll. All you do is scratch a little bit of it and roll it off. No chemicals, no wipes needed. Comes off easy peasy. So if you want these lashes and eyeliners, come to Showcase and see me, Lisa. I'm going to show you the magnetic eyelashes.
Good take one.
What?
Good take one.
Hi, I'm Lisa, and today, stop it! So people have been skeptic because, so